basketball. So just watch me play basketball.
And the song that's gonna be playing is Rolex, and I can show you. I don't know how I'm gonna carry it, but I'll see. Okay, let's start.
Yeah, show the camera.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance? I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance? Yeah. All I ever wanted was a rollie. All I ever wanted was a rollie. Cooler than a snowman with the ice all on me. Now your chick all on me, on me. My rollie don't tick tock, it just glide. Keep staring at it and you might go blind. I be moving clean, I don't even try. All I see is bears, I spy. Yeah, that way. I need that moolah by Tuesday. Yeah, that.
I'm trash.
Yo, YouTube, he's so trashy. YouTube, okay, listen to me. He's so trashy. At basketball.
Did you say the hoes are laughing?
Yep.
So the audience is a bunch of hoes.
Catch me outside.
Catch me outside. How about that?
Catch you outside.
It's called Catch Me Outside.
It's cash. Look at it.
What I just said.
Oh, okay.
How about that? How about that? Yup.
How about that? How about that? How about that? How about Catch Me Outside? How about that?
Catch me outside. Catch me outside. How about that?
You might like this song.
What's wrong, bro?
It's called I Spy.
Kids, man, talking shit, making me feel bad. Man, fuck them kids, bro. Look around, bro. Look at life. Man, you're right. You see the fire? Yes, some trees, man. You see the corner? I guess it is okay. Come on, man. You got some shit, man.
Y'all trashy.
Yeah, you're right.
Trashy potatoes.
Right, I'm right. I can't remember a time I was goddamn wrong. Man, thanks, little bug. Hey, man. That's what I'm here for.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either.
You can't even fly.
Did you say the hoes are laughing?
Yep.
So the audience are a bunch of hoes.
Yep. Catch me outside. How about that?
Catch you outside.
And this is called DTAJ Caillou.
YouTube, let's get it.
His breath stink okay. Don't tell him. His breath stink.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm high.
Share you with the you
My feet hurt.
217 on the track. Let me get a little bit closer.
Bro, what is that?
This is, what's your channel name? Yeah, whatever his name. But yeah. Oh shoot, let's go.
Who you going for?
Okay.
Who you going for?
Him already. You your daddy, son. Yeah. With the hips.
Check up, cause that messed me up.
Tell me when y'all done. My arms getting tiring. It's been 5 minutes. Wait. Bye, YouTube. I'm gonna tell y'all the channel name too. Shout out to what's her name? Shamar Lord. Oh, sorry. I thought. Tell me when it's end.
Which I'm gonna go for that.